In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix any Wi-Fi issues here on Windows 11. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and right click on this little start button down here, find this little settings tab and open it up. And from within here, go ahead and find the system tab up towards the very top and choose troubleshoot on this and choose other troubleshooters from within this section. Find the network and internet section and go ahead and select run and follow the instructions to let Windows detect any fix issues. From here, what you're going to want to do is back out and hit Windows and R to open up the run section right here and type in ncpa.cpl and hit enter to open up your network connections tab just like so. Within this, find your network connector on here. In my case, let's go ahead and say it is our Ethernet connector. If it's disabled, go and right click it and then hit enable up at the very top. If it's enabled, try disabling it and then re-enabling it. From here, close out of this section, hit the Windows Start key and then go back into your settings and go specifically into your network and internet section, specifically into those advanced network settings down at the very bottom and choose this network reset section down here and hit reset now. Confirm and restart your PC. This is going to reinstall network adapters and reset network components. If you're still having issues, go ahead and open up your device manager by searching specifically for device manager and opening up this page. It looks like this and find your network adapter on here. Open up this tab to expand it. Find the exact same network adapter. It should say network adapter on it. Right click it, hit update driver, and then hit search automatically for my drivers and see if anything does pop up on here. If it does, update it and you'll be good to go. And finally, after doing that, check for a Windows update by hitting the Windows key and then the I key and then going into your settings. From here, wait for it to load and see if there's a Windows update. Hit check for updates, see if anything pops up, and if it does, go ahead and update your device. And that should fix all your problems. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.